Good morning. So I am starting the interview now. You are applying for Canara Bank. What is the name of the post for which you have applied?
So manager scale 2.
Acha. So general category.
No, sir, it is a special backlog post.
Huh?
ST and ST category.
Oh, acha acha.
Schedule driver.
SC/ST category specialist
Yes.
drive recruitment. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent. Very happy. Now, um, what is the degree you have studied?
Sir, I have completed my graduation in Management of Technology in BTech,
BTech.
CSC department.
Yeah.
And later I have completed my post graduation also completed and BTech, MTech in CSC.
Hmm.
And it is from Dhruva Institute of Technology, Hyderabad.
Very good, very good, very good. What type of a student were you when you were studying in school and in college? Were you above average or in the top 10% ranks?
So I have actually, when my schooling period, I was above average,
Oh,
and later was improved my knowledge, and I got in the actually I completed PUC in Telugu medium, whereas I am the second highest person in that section, and I
oh,
got 75 out of 75 in the math.
oh. Very good, very good, very good. You got 75 out of 75.
70 both maths, MA, MB,
Very good,
and
excellent.
70 both.
Yeah, very nice. And in the degree, what is the CGPA score?
In the degree, BTech, sir,
Yeah,
BTech in the department of IT.
IT, how much you scored?
My 69.72.
Very good. What about your MTech?
MTech actually I got a 72.20 percentage.
Very nice, very nice. Was there any campus recruitment in your college?
So there was no capital recruitment when I was graduate. There was no grooming for recruiting the student for in software field. Whereas even though I have tried in but because of less post in the software side, so I am unable to get in that
Very
side.
good. And that is why you joined a private sector bank.
Yes.
Very good. Have you done some diploma course or so in your private sector bank?
No, sir. No, I have not done.
No, you have not done any of such things. Good. So
Yes, sir.
that means you are a banker already. I think you have served for how many years?
4+ years, sir.
4 plus years. Very good. Excellent. So, how will you classify your 4 year service? Is it same service for all the 4 years, or it has got variety in from 1 year to another year and all that?
So initially, I was posted in Honnavara. It is in the state of Karnataka,
Hmm.
and I was posted as assistant manager directly.
Hmm.
But when I went to the branch head has given that task cash. I was initially I sat in cash.
Hmm.
I learned only cash and operations like NEFCA, TGS,
Hmm.
the handling of customer, how
Hmm.
you have to take the customer request,
Hmm.
their need.
Hmm.
Basic service I have learned in the first year.
Hmm.
After 1 year, I was outside from the cash and
Hmm.
I learned some basic of advances.
Hmm.
And that I got posted again to another branch,
Hmm.
which is in Chitradurga.
Hmm.
Now I am handling now loans advances,
Oh,
like SR loans,
loans
housing
and
loans, and
advances. Very good, very good. So,
recovery also I am taking care of.
right now you are in loans and advances.
Yes, sir, I am in advance.
Acha, oh, loans and advances. You have written
Yeah,
something like say LAGJ. What is LAGJ?
for loan cash gold recovery,
Uh,
yeah, I'm considering gold loans.
yeah. So can you tell me the procedure you follow while giving, say, gold loan or jewelry loan?
Or initially, if customer comes to me,
Uh,
if they want gold loan for their needs, emergency purpose,
mm,
I tell them it this one chain,
Hmm.
and I asked them how much they have brought gold jewelries.
Hmm.
And I will, the basic things I will check. After that, I call to my appraiser
Hmm.
and I will check the jewelry is in proper or not.
Hmm.
It is fake or not. And we perform that acid test.
Hmm.
If it is, if it is we come to know that if it is not a gold,
Hmm.
we will straight away reject the loan. If it is in a good condition, our appraiser will appraise, and according to that, we will process the loan. And I will get from the customer KYC. Because whether the customer who came to our branch is original person or other person, then we have the photo, the text photo of him.
Okay, now you were telling if you come to know that the jewel is not real gold, you will reject. Have you had such instances also?
Yes, I have heard. Yeah, there are few cases recently in the ICICI Bank I heard, and
Yeah,
one of customer in the Haribari taking a loan around 36 lakh they made for it in the Bangalore only
Thir-
recently.
36 lakhs,
Yes, sir.
and they gave say 50. I mean, no, not a correct gold,
Yes, sir.
fictitious jewels, or in other
Means
words,
they made it like a polish. We have done polishing of gold, which is similar to original gold.
who found it
And
out?
that I think so who was the appraiser in that case, na, he
Uh,
also he was also involved in the fraud.
oh, he wanted to help the party and get some money out of it.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it was the loan was not disbursed, na?
No, disbursed amount disbursed that he got it. Later, when the bank's auditor has came and he was checked with some other appraiser,
Hmm.
then it comes to it is a fraud. It is a gold. It is not real gold. It is a fake gold.
Acha, acha, you are talking about an instance where a loan was granted
Yes,
and the quality of jewel was found out as fake after some time. So
yes, sir.
you were you there at the time of sanction of loan? No.
No, I am not. This is not in our bank. This
Ah,
is other bank. The other bank in this time I am telling.
acha, acha, acha.
That we have heard in the news.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Can you tell me something about RDVU operations? What is RDVU?
Actually, risk divisional verification unit.
Pardon,
The
pardon?
RTO means risk divisional verification unit means we can check the KYC when we are opening a fresh account,
Hmm.
saving or current account, whatever it be.
Hmm.
So some of the KYC you have to check
Hmm.
the original, whether the Aadhaar card and PAN card is true copy of original or not, we have checked,
Hmm.
and the virtual customer has signed in front of us only.
Hmm.
That we call RDVV.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Excellent. Now, can you tell me something about the various types of loans you are sanctioning in your present assignment?
But actually, I am handling now loan and personal loan, auto loan, home loans, and
Hot.
as usual,
Oh,
handling the loan against securities, like
oh.
loan against fees.
Acha, auto loans and all, are you giving nowadays because of this corona? Not much of loans will be granted, na?
Yes, yes, we are not giving that much.
Ah,
If it's a customer from a reputed government institution, a reputed institution, and by sending mail to their respective HR, and we are getting confirmation whether after this corona situation, this pandemic situation,
hmm.
whether you are to continue with this employment or not. After confirmation, we are giving.
Acha, now I think you are mentioning about housing loan, correct?
Yes, sir.
You are talking about housing loan. What are the
Yes.
conditions of housing loan? How many months salary will you give as housing loan?
Generally, we in our bank will take 6 months salary. If it is not also, it can accept. Last to just 6 months.
No, no, no. I am asking you. So many months maximum can be given as housing loan. You are
Okay,
supposing
can
one
fix.
salary is 1 lakh rupees
Okay.
per month. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now, how many rupees can you give maximum to him?
We will take the two conditions here. One is we will consider his age.
Age
His
also.
salary.
Acha, imagine he is only 30 years age.
30 years means maximum we can give 30 years loan sanction tenure.
Oh.
And based his income, net income,
Hmm.
he will give some fire.
Net income is somewhere around 60,000.
So if it is 60,000, we will give the 70% of his net salary. So if 70% of net salary means around 42,000 of his net income, we can that amount, whatever the how many lakhs income, that many lakhs we will give the loan. If he is having any obligation from that, he will deduct that also from his net salary.
Mhm.
And remaining, whatever the remaining amount is there, for that we will sanction the loan.
No, I know.
For 30,
I know you are not remembering the exact way of working out because everything is done by computer, correct?
yes, sir.
Once you feed the figure, everything is done by computer. And then, Acha, what is your experience in respect of housing loan in your present branch? Are the recoveries okay or are there problems nowadays?
Around actually, when I was started handling housing loan, actually I have completed around 60 accounts we have done, and the previous also another 60 accounts is there.
Hmm.
The customers are paying very nice, promptly.
Oh, very good. Excellent.
And when we are identifying the customer, maximum customer will identify that salary. First we will give the priority first salary.
Hmm.
And that, for that, even though business people who are in the experienced and we come to know that when we are interacting with them,
Hmm.
the purpose of their loan and how they are handling the business will come to me.
Hmm.
Basic that we are identifying the good customer we are giving.
Hmm.
And
Excellent.
till now, last financial year we have around 4.5 crores I have completed. Sir. So,
4.5 crores.
yes,
Very good, very good.
we
You
are the
said,
topper in region.
oh, you are the topper in the region. Very good, very good. Congratulations. Very happy. You have also stated some other thing, processing of loan file, sanctioning, dispersal, and some
Yes.
awards. I think you have mentioned something. I saw some.
Few was also I have not mentioned actually.
Here.
Even I got some
Oh,
certificate from our MD and CEO also.
oh, very good, very good, very good. What is this LIC Go Corona campaign?
Actually, it was conducted by our zone office
Acha.
for the 120 branches in the zone.
Okay.
For the target of that, around 50,000 regular premium you have to do within 1 week.
Okay.
And we have done first, they are awarded with this achievement.
Acha.
In our region, I have done the first, I have done the first policy with 75,000.
Oh, Acha, you said LIC policies.
Yes, sir, LIC policy. That's why they have given me that award.
Acha, how many policies could you get?
You are telling for the financial year, sir.
No, no, for this particular campaign period.
I have completed around 1.25 lakhs.
Oh,
Regular
premium.
premium.
1.25 lakhs premium
Yes, sir, only within 1 week.
within 1 week. Good. That's really something great, Baba. Good.
Thank you.
Then what is that Mission 200 crore campaign?
Actually, when LIC has taken over by our bank, and initially they have actually started first this campaign.
Oh,
They are the first for our bank. They are expecting the more income in the initial period of this policy.
correct.
So they start the month of March.
Oh,
Uh, First 2 days, they told that first 2 days how many policies we have done,
hmm.
and that all over India, our bank wise, they are expected 2 crores again
Oh,
that period.
oh,
And in fact, from our branch, I have done 10 lakhs initially.
very good, very good, very good.
Physical print, and they have called for that, and it is awarded by me, awarded by our MD and CEO.
Very good. Very good. In nutshell, how will you introduce yourself as a banker to the interviewing bankers? You are going to attend the Canara Bank interview.
Yes,
Supposing
sir.
they want you to introduce yourself to them, highlighting, say, probably your banking skills and all. How are you going to introduce? Now take an attempt.
Oh. Actually, this is Saida from
Yeah,
DB Bank,
yeah,
working presently in Chittoor branch.
yeah.
Actually, I have done this. account opening and COSA and have done advances also.
Mm.
I performed very well in advances because I have awarded first in the region
Mhm.
and I have taken recovery also very well. Last finance year I have completed around two crores we have recovered.
Mm.
We are good at our region. I
Mm.
can handle a difficult situation where the customer can very serious or any problematic if he is facing.
Mm.
I can give that. I can solve him his problem as early as possible
Very good.
in a proper with patience.
Excellent. Now, sometimes you are using I, sometimes you are using a we. Try to be aware, be clear that you should use. You are speaking about yourself, so you should always say, I did it, I did it. Understand?
Yes.
Don't involve we in that one. That's okay.
Oh. Oh.
Good. Very nice. Now, what is your normal working day? At what time you start? At what time you end?
Actually, I will start my journey from my home at 9:25, sir, and I reach the bus 9:30.
Oh, very nearby.
Starting,
You stay very
yes,
nearby?
yes, I is nearby.
Ah.
And first 30 minutes, I will first to write down the pending works.
Hmm.
Whatever the pending works is with me, I
Hmm.
will write out. I will check that file first.
Hmm.
After 10, if the customers will come to me and I will talk to them, this will be happening. But that 30 minutes will be, I will synchronize, I will identify that which are the pending works and which one has to first complete.
Hmm.
That I write out the paper and I will complete that on that day.
Hmm.
The
Good, good.
subsequent work.
Excellent. No, no. But for this question, this answer is not complete. You have to say, I will start the day at 9:30 and I will check up about what are the things to be done. I will diarize, then start doing it. In between, when some customers come for enquiry, I will attend to them also. And
Can you read? Voice is breaking.
what voice is acha, acha,
Voice
oh,
is breaking.
acha, acha, voice is
Next,
now it is okay.
next.
Now are you able to hear me?
So some disturbance is there.
Acha, acha. 1 minute. Uh,
Able to,
now, share. I will call you again. Okay.
sir?
Hello. Hold on. I will call you
Hello?
again.
Hello?
I will call you again.
Sir, voice is breaking, sir. I am
Yeah.
unable to read.
I know. I know. I will call you again. I will cut this call and call you again.
Okay, sir.
Star to copy this song for free. For unlimited free songs, dial 56700. Attention now, please.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, tell me, sir. Tell me.
Now are you able to hear me?
Sir, I am able to hear.
Now you are able to hear. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Now, say I was telling you about using I, we, and all that, and then okay. Now let me come to the next question.
Oh,
Now tell me, and in the process of introduction of yourself, you must try to tell some good points, your strengths. You must reveal your strengths, and you must
okay.
impress on why you should be selected as an you are joining as a scale 2 manager. Correct?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
Now the question can be, will you not get scale 2 promotion in your own bank? Why do you want to jump over to Canara Bank?
Okay. Sir, there is a possibility of getting skill to also in my bank.
Hmm.
But whereas I have gained more knowledge in my bank.
Ah.
But I want to get more knowledge also from Canara Bank.
Ah.
I have 2 to 3 friends in Canara Bank. I have inquired with the friends. They are telling that you can gain good knowledge and you can get good exposure from this Canara Bank. And I want to be continue as a and Canara Bank because I want to learn more things from Canara Bank. How hard is having more number of branches and well organized
Hmm.
bank. It is also fourth largest bank in our India.
Acha. Good. Canara Bank, who is the chairman of Canara Bank now?
Venkatra sir,
Very good.
exactly. No?
What are the points you know about Canara Bank? Briefly tell me.
Canara Bank it was started in the 1906
Hmm.
and it is founded by the Ammebol Subbarao Pai at Mangalore and its head office in Bangalore.
Hmm.
So later, 1910, the Canara Bank was, his name is Canara Bank Limited.
Hmm.
It was nationalized in 1969.
Hmm.
After that, renamed as Canara Bank.
Hmm.
The initial name of the Canara Bank is Canara Bank Hindu Permanent Fund.
Hmm. Yeah. Hello.
Sir,
Tell me.
it is complete around 100 years
Hmm.
in banking. Sir.
No, I think you are talking more about history and all. That is not
Yes, sir.
needed. That is not needed. Straight away, you tell about Canara Bank has got so many bank branches after the merger of, say, Syndicate Bank also with Canara Bank, and its total business deposits, advances are this much. Something like that, you can say.
Okay.
That briefly, if you tell briefly, that will do.
Okay, I'll get it, sir. I'll get this
Yeah.
information.
So now, do you know what are the areas in which um, Canara Bank is associated with mutual funds?
Sure, funds.
Mutual funds, they have tie-up with Canara Robeco for cross-selling of their mutual fund products.
Okay, mutual fund.
Yeah. So I want you to go through this website thoroughly and get
Okay.
to know about Canara Bank. Mostly they may not ask, but still you must be in a position to know about this.
Okay. I'll
Yeah,
get this information.
yeah, you must know about this. Now there is a thing. Now, can you tell me what is the difference between RTGS and NEFT?
So, RTGS is a real-time gas settlement system,
Hmm.
and we can do RTGS for the 2 lakhs and above.
Hmm.
The maximum amount is there is no limit.
Hmm.
FT is National Electronic Fund Transfer.
Hmm.
So we do the amount remittance from one bank to other bank from 1 rupee to 2 lakh.
Not necessary. It can be more than that also.
More than that also, but it is also
No, no,
when
no.
we are doing
NEFT, there is no limit. There is no limit maximum. But people will not send above 2 lakhs in NEFT because
yes, sir.
there will be a gap of 30 minutes.
Yes, sir. The batches is different.
It is done in batches.
Oh.
Correct, correct. Now, can you tell me, say, what is the difference between a check issued by me and a demand draft given by your bank?
So demand draft given by the bank is a free-filled instrument, sir.
Okay.
DD. Whereas there is no bounce and all, it will happen in the DD because it's already loaded with the cash and it will be directly deposited. If it deposit in the bank or another bank, it will be immediately realized.
Hmm.
But whereas self-check, it may be bounce like insufficient funds or signature difference.
Hmm.
And these is issued by the holder of the check.
Hmm.
I mean, drawer of the check.
Hmm. Correct.
He can give a third party period check and order check also.
So you mean to say that a check can be maybe bounced, whereas a
Yes,
demand draft will not be bounced.
yes, sir.
Yeah, and check is issued by the party who has got account with the bank. Very good. Now,
Yes,
in the Corona situation, I think your banks are all functioning with 50% staff, correct?
yes, sir, 50%.
So what is this? Say they give you holidays every alternate days or every week? Alternate week.
Alternate days we are getting, sir. One day one person has to come, Another day, another personality.
That is good. This is good. But some people in Tripura and all, they what they do, they give 1 week full leave for one person, and he will come next week like that. I mean, I'm talking about UCO Bank.
Oh,
Yeah. So, do you think this Corona has affected your banking to some extent?
yes, sir, it is affected.
Yeah, totally. It has affected, and you are now in Telangana, na?
No, sir, I am Karnataka now at present.
You are in Karnataka.
Yes, sir, I'm working in Karnataka.
Oh, acha, acha, acha. Good, good, good. Very good. You are working in Karnataka. Good. Karnataka also, Corona is on a large scale now.
Yes, sir, yes.
Especially Bengaluru, it has been affected so much, so much.
Much. Yes. Bangalore is
So,
affected so much.
so one has to take. Are you taking protection? How are you protecting yours? Were you affected by Corona any of these days? No.
No, sir.
Thank.
Recently have vaccinated.
Oh, acha, you got vaccinated also. Good. That's really good. That is really good because it's very dangerous to get ourselves exposed. Do you wear, say, mask? Your bank is providing mask for you?
The mask and every sanitizer also there.
They
Now,
are.
donor office frequently following up with
Uh,
or sanitizing hands with every 5 minutes.
acha.
And,
No,
and they are guiding that how to, they are instructing us how to handle this corona.
but I think nowadays customers are not given sanitization. Huh?
We are giving that.
You are
We are
giving.
providing it at the front of
Front office people will be doing it.
yes.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. Now tell me, why should we select you? Why do you think you are more suitable for being selected as a Scale 2 officer in Canada Bank? What makes you think that you are more qualified? Acha, why have you not passed JAIIB?
Actually, when I was initially I joined, I was tried first time, and there was no actually increment in bank, and we thought that we'll finish later. We will
But
keep on
this,
pending.
yeah,
Now I
100%,
have
100%, the reason you are telling is true, but you can't tell like that in an interview. You can say that I tried, I couldn't succeed, but I want to clear it next time when I take it up. Next time when the exam will come, November.
no, no, in the month of June they are telling I have applied already.
Okay, okay. You have already applied. Good. That is a plus point. You tell like that. What are the three subjects that are there in JIB one?
One is principal banking,
Uh,
one is accounting,
hmm.
and third one is legal aspect of principal banking. LARB.
Which subject you like very much?
I like this one, legal.
Legal. Acha, acha. Very good. Legal things you like very much.
Recover and all, everything will be there. The sections and everything will be given.
Oh. So have you studied about Companies Act?
Yes, I have a little bit about that.
What is the latest Companies Act? Which year Companies Act was passed?
2003, sir.
2000?
3.
2003 or
1950,
uh,
2015,
no?
1956 is first act.
No, 1 minute. First act was passed in 1956, na?
Yes, sir.
Companies Act 2013.
13 years, sir.
Yeah, Companies Act 2013.
Yes, sir. So,
Very good. Now, what is the maximum number of shareholders that can be there in a private limited company?
you are asking director or members?
Shareholders. Now it is 200. Now it is 200. Previously it was 50.
Minimum is 2, maximum 200.
ఇప్పుడు maximum 200.
Yes, sir. 200.
Very good.
Private.
Partnership firm. Uh, when you want to give loans to a partnership firm, what are the extra conditions you will prescribe about the partnership?
we'll take the consent of both the parties.
All the
While
partners.
all the partners, sir.
Yeah.
And
You,
we, if they cannot, in case of mode of operation, every partner cannot be signed and every partner cannot come. So if they are interested to mandate any holder, we'll accept that also.
okay.
Or
But
we'll
you have
mandate.
omitted one important point. First important point you should tell is that the partnership deed must have been a registered firm.
Partnership is compulsory.
Pardon?
Partnership is compulsory. That is registered partnership is compulsory because
Registered
registered
partnership deed.
partnership we cannot accept. We cannot give the loan
Yeah.
because legal suit we cannot file for the unregistered partnership.
Hmm.
And if registered partnership we can give that we can file for them.
Now, why do we insist that the partnership firm should be registered?
Yes. Sir.
Because
Or-
normally for doing business, the partnership firm need not be registered.
Yes, sir. They can be
But for
registered.
opening current account also, partnership firm need not be registered.
Yes, sir.
We just take a original, verify with the original, retain a copy with us, get the signature of all the people, get all KYC formalities completed for the people, that will do. But in the case of loan, we insist that the firm should have been registered. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because if they default in the loan,
Hmm.
if they are registered, we cannot file suit as partnership actions.
That is
If
wrong.
it is registered,
That is wrong, wrong, wrong. You can file a suit against an unregistered firm, but the unregistered firm cannot file suit in that name against its debtors.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is the important condition. The partnership firm will be in a problem, and in order to protect that only, bankers insist that the firm must have been registered before giving advances. Do you have partnership accounts in your bank branch?
Yes, sir. We are having lots of
Lot of accounts are there. Bank
Yes,
branches,
sir.
it is there. Very good. So what extra precautions do you observe in the case of open cash credit?
Open cash credit.
Have you heard what is open cash credit?
Open cash credit.
Perhaps you don't know. Open cash credit means giving advance against the properties which are retained in the hands of the borrower. Like open cash credit, say like Vivek and Co, a company selling television, computer, etc. The goods will be lying in their shop only. They will give a statement every month. After verifying by inspection, the limit is given to them. Drawing limit is arrived.
Yes, that is cash credit.
That is what do you call for this?
Cash credit we call it.
Yeah, cash credit. That is why open cash credit is the thing is available with the customer. Key cash credit is an arrangement where the goods are kept under the lock and key of the bank.
Oh.
Now tell me what extra precautions you will observe in the case of cash credit accounts.
Sir, voice is reaching.
Now I am asking what are the extra precautions you will observe when you are giving cash credit loans.
We have to visit the stay every quarterly or monthly,
Correct?
and we have to pay stock whether stock is available with our loan.
Correct.
That margin we have to check how much we have given and stock available. It is fulfilling his drawing for or not. We have to check.
Okay. Then you have to say this point also. I will see that the name board of the bank is exhibited in the in that company premises.
Oh,
You also have to state if the advance is given to a limited company, then the charge has to be registered in the registrar of joint stock companies. So that precaution also I will take.
okay, I'll note it.
Yeah, not only that, I will, you have to state the inspection is done once in a month. While practically it may not be possible, the rules require you are visiting every month. Every month they are supposed to give stock statement. You are supposed to verify the stocks and then arrive at the drawing limit. Could you follow?
Yes. Yes, sir. We are following that out.
Yeah, very good. Excellent. Now, can you tell me something about Kisan Credit Card?
Kisan credit card we can give the farmer. There are two types of.
Do you have experience in that or not?
Yes, sir. I have given, sir.
You have given means tell me about it. What are the things you will look into before giving Kisan Credit Card? How will you arrive at the limit of the Kisan Credit Card?
Sir, we can give the Kisan credit card to this small farmers and marginal farmers.
Ah,
And even also the farmers we can give.
hmm.
We will calculate and based on the scale of finance.
Ah, good. Excellent. This is the point. Likewise, some catch words must be told then and there. समझ गया? You are told nicely that scale of finance is a very important aspect. Besides verifying ownership, etc., or rights over the property, etc., you must
Yes, sir.
verify the scale of finance. Only that scale of finance will be fixed as the limit.
Yes.
Can you tell me what are the advantages for borrowers or farmers when they take a Kisan credit card from the bank?
They can, if they are prompt payer, they will get the 3% subsidy. If they pay in time, they will get the 4% rate of interest. That's a simple interest.
Good. They don't have to come for renewal.
And again,
It will be
they can
automatically
get,
renewed. It will be automatically renewed.
yeah.
Automatic renewal. समझ गया?
Automatic, auto renewal, sir.
No. In the case of Kisan credit card, it is normally given for a period of 5 years and it will be renewed every year.
Yes, sir. 5 years you every year you have to renew the accounts.
Very good. Prompt credit control. What is that?
From
Prompt. Some Reserve Bank of India used to implement. What prompt corrective action? What is that?
Farm corrective action is introduced by RBI sir, for banks who are under stress.
Oh,
Like their CRAR is there is a limit. If they are not meeting that norms and their gross NP will be more than the prescribed limit by the RBI, then that comes under PCA. There are three criteria is there. One is CRAR, one more is Tier 1 capital.
good. So now after the bank coming out of the problems, then the prompt corrective action will be removed.
Yes, sir.
Now-
it is
Yeah. Do you know what is the present cash reserve ratio requirement?
again
Cash reserve ratio.
3%, sir.
Very.
3%.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
No.
3.35, sorry.
No. There has been a change. 3.50.
3.5.
Now it is 3.50. Originally it was 3. Now it is 3.50. What is the present SLR?
SLR is 18%.
Correct. What is present repo rate?
4%.
Reverse repo rate?
3.35.
What is the bank rate?
Bank rate is 4.25.
What is the marginal standing facility rate? That is also 4.25.
4.25.
That is also 4.25.
Yes.
Okay, good. What do you know about SEBI? What is SEBI? Hello?
Stock Exchange Board of India.
Huh.
It is a regulator of this one, the stock and share markets.
stock exchanges, mutual funds, and others.
mutual funds and shares market.
Yeah. Now, how many deputy governors are there in RBI?
There are 4 deputy governors.
What is the name of the new deputy governor of RBI?
T. Ravi Shankar.
Correct, Baba. Good. Excellent. Very good.
Thank you.
What is the name of the other deputy governors?
One is MD Patra
Ah,
and one was MK Jain
ah.
and one is Vishwanath Rao.
M. Rajeshwar Rao.
Yes, sir.
M. Rajeshwar Rao. Very good.
Rajeshwar Rao. Sir.
Yeah, Rajeshwar Rao. Yeah. There was one Kanungo, he has retired.
Yes, sir. Only,
Yeah, he has retired and in his place only new man has come. What is the new man's name you said?
sir?
What is the name of the new deputy governor?
The T. Ravi Shankar, sir. He's replaced by sir, Kanunga Rao, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Very nice. You are able to answer the questions, no problem. Now I have to ask you some general questions only.
Okay.
Are you willing to get relocated if you are appointed in Canara Bank? You will be taken out of your home state.
I am ready to work, sir.
No problem.
No problem.
Good. Then will you work on holidays and weekends? Hello?
If it is necessary fixed by the bank,
Uh,
then I will work.
then you will
And
work.
if it,
Very good, very good. What motivates you? Hello?
I'm a hard worker, and actually I want to complete the work in winter. I don't want to keep the work pending.
Hmm.
That enable me to
Hmm.
that enable to me motivate more. And even I work with my colleagues of staff
Hmm.
with more motivative skills, and I motivate them even though.
Who is your role model?
Role model is
Role model, somebody related to you or somebody who is alive in business. You must tell the name of such people. Don't tell Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru ji, and all that. Could you follow?
sorry. Yes, sir. If you tell someone else, they will ask in brief about this.
Yeah. What is your father? Father ఏం చేస్తున్నారు?
My father is farmer, sir.
ఓ ఏం ఎక్కడ ఫార్మర్ చేస్తున్నారు?
In Telangana.
తెలంగాణ. ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? ప్యాడియా?
Paddy, sir. Paddy and cotton. Sir.
Very good, very good. Cotton, how long it will take for cotton to come for say harvest?
It will take say 6 months. Sir. Sometimes some few crops will take 4 months, and few will be 6 months. Depends on fertilizing this one.
Oh, 6 months only, not 9 months.
That depends on this one, sir. Seeds. Which one we have taken that. Depends on that.
Cotton.
Our side we usually we take the 4 6 months.
Oh,
season.
acha. Who are the buyers of cotton for you from you?
We actually local traders are there.
Oh,
Sometimes we'll do APMC.
your point is correct. You told correctly. 4 months, some or 6 months or 155 days also. Good. You told correctly. You told very correctly. Very nice. Now, what are the problems faced by farmers nowadays, especially because of this corona and all that, and also lot of say some strikes are going on in Delhi, na?
Yes, sir. Farmer bill is introduced by the central government.
Yeah.
Lok Sabha.
Now there is even now strike is going on, na?
Yes, sir. Now also going on. Actually, there the farmers are facing that there are 3 bills passed by the central government.
Hmm.
That is one is one market bill is there,
Hmm.
and this contractual farming is also is there.
Hmm.
And
So
one more is, sir,
yeah, you please get to know this because your father is a farmer. You please
yes, sir.
study about that somewhat in detail. Okay.
Yes.
You otherwise you are answering very well. Now last question for you. Last question. How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Sir, can you repeat? Voice is breaking.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Voice is breaking, sir. I'm unable to hear.
No, 1 minute, 1 minute. Hello.
Sir, tell me now.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Sir, actually,
10 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత మీరు ఎలాగా అనుకుంటారు?
so I want to be in a good position. Like professional life, I want to become in scale 3, scale 5 or scale 6 or 6.
స్కేల్ 5 వద్దు, స్కేల్ 5 వద్దండి. యూ కెన్ సేవ్ స్కేల్ 4.
Scale 4, I expect that scale 4.
Yeah. Say like that. You tell them that I would have passed JAIAB, CAIAB, and I would have achieved all the targets given to me. Acha, now supposing they give you the option, which job, which role will you prefer, as a marketing man or as a HR man or as a general bank officer? Which one will you prefer?
So if bank is need anything, anyone out of this, which one is suitable for me, I will prefer that. If they tell me to that choose yourself, then I will go for general officer only.
Excellent. Good answer. Good answer. Very good. Are you married?
Married, sir. I have 2 kids.
Oh, 2 kids. What is the age of the children?
My elder daughter is 3 years,
Ah,
and one is a baby boy. Is 1.5 years.
oh, very good, very good. Congratulations. Best wishes. You are answering well. Kani, you would have understood by now. See, see, the interview will not be for this much time. ఇప్పుడు ఏమో నేను 45 minutes మీ దగ్గర మాట్లాడాము, కానీ మీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ విల్ బి ఓన్లీ 5 to 10 minutes. Within that time you must express your confidence.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have doubt.
Yeah.
That I have to ask you that. If they ask me that, why you are coming to this Canara Bank, and if you are giving a manager to you, so how can I handle that branch? If they ask like that, what I have to do?
No. The reason, the one reason you said is, number one, I want to come to Canara Bank for better exposure and good career prospects, and also I will take up the managership, and because I have observed the managers of my branches, and I will try to get the work done by the people. I will study what is the need of the particular branch, what steps have to be taken for improving the deposit, what steps have to be taken for improving the advances. I will try to work on it and try to achieve the figures set for me. I am a goal setter. I will not leave it without achieving the goals. అన్నీ అలాగా మీరు కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా మాట్లాడాలి.
Okay, sir.
This all depends on the way you speak.
Okay, sir. I will improve this one.
Very good.
Actually, I am going to this one, sir. Study material is provided by the NS2, sir.
Yeah.
Banking related. That I am studying actually.
Which material?
That's NS2 banking is the promotion exam. For promotion exam, I have taken. Which is having good banking knowledge.
Very good. Very good. Very. Do you have say electronic copy of that? అంటే మాకు పంపించండి, నేను చూస్తుంటాం.
I'll send you.
Yeah, you please forward to me. I will make use of that. In fact, I have lot of banking questions మీకు అడగానికి, కానీ
నాకు చిన్న డౌట్ ఉంది సార్. ఇప్పుడు మ్యాక్సిమం ఇంటర్వ్యూలో బ్యాంకింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతారా లేకుంటే మేనేజ్మెంట్?
No. Only they will ask first They will ask you introduce yourself, అలాగే introduce your present assignment, అక్కడ ఏం పని చేస్తున్నారని అడిగి they will ask questions only about the present assignment.
Okay.
That's
So
all.
they will not ask like this operations work and like banking, this one the recovery, that Sapasi Act.
They can ask you if you are, because if you say you are in recovery, they can tell you about that. Surface Act and all they can ask, because banking is a vast area. No, it's a vast area. If you want to listen to the type of questions, నేను ఒకటి చెప్తున్నాము, you watch the videos of SBI CBO interview.
Okay, right.
I would have conducted nearly 400 interviews.
Okay.
దాని నుంచి you just go through the say some of the interviews from that. Okay,
Okay.
very good. Any questions?
What, sir?
Any other questions?
Sir, one question, last question.
Yeah.
Sir, I have GD also.
You have BP.
GD sir, group discussion.
ఆ గ్రూప్ డిస్కషన్ ఉందా మీకు? అంటే అంటే నోట్ చేసుకోండి, గ్రూప్ డిస్కషన్ ideas.com.
Group discussion ideas.com. Okay.
అక్కడ వెళ్తే మీకు కరెంట్ టాపిక్ అన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి.
Okay.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు చెప్తున్నాము గ్రూప్ డిస్కషన్
.com.
oh sorry,
Sir, I watch
one minute.
regularly.
Group discussion topics.com or ideas.com?
Yes, sir, it is I am watching. Regularly I am watching this.
Oh, you know that, na?
Yes, I know that.
Very good. అక్కడి నుంచి
That
మీరు
kind of-
గ్రూప్ డిస్కషన్ ideas.com will do. అక్కడ ఏమంటే you should tell you should talk with confidence. You must talk at least 3 to 4 times, and you should not dominate. You should not keep yourself away from others.
Okay.
ఇక్కడ చూస్తే 125 GD టాపిక్స్ ఇచ్చారు. బయోమెడికల్ వేస్ట్ క్రైసిస్, పోస్ట్ కోవిడ్ వరల్డ్, సెకండ్ వేవ్ ఆఫ్ కోవిడ్, ఫ్యూచర్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్. సో యూ ప్లీజ్ గో త్రూ దట్. ఓకే,
Okay, thank you.
so best wishes, you have done very well, no problem. Ante after the interview is fixed, if you are before going for interview about 2-3 days before, you again ask, if you ask for one more date, we can arrange for it.
Okay, before interview before 3-4 days, I'll ask
Yeah,
you to.
if necessary you can come to me. Once again 100 rupees only I'll be charging. And if some of your friends need this service, you can introduce my email ID to them also.
One more guy is there. He wants to ask me.
Yeah.
I will share it.
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes. You have done well. Mark wise, I will give you 8.5 out of 10.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you.